Diba? Dito sa Baguio, may pinuntahan yung tax namin kahit papano. Yung hospital namin may park. Yan. Diba? Dito yung pagkukuha na ng result ng laboratory. Maraming dumadayo ng Baguio. Instead na sa Pangasinan, sa Ilocos, they prefer Baguio Hospital. Hindi ko pa to nililibot, pero as you can see, the park is so freaking clean, man. Kung depressed ka, if you're depressed, but we will just walk here, and seems that everything is beautiful. Fake a love, fake a love. I wanna be just like love. See? There she goes, there she goes again. February 24th day of February 2012. These parts of special projects of the BJMC Advisory Board for the benefit and enjoyment of the patients, staff, and visitors of the center. As you commune with nature and meditate in the company of birds and flowers, kindly treat your park with utmost perfect and dignity. Thank you, and to God of the glory and honor. To God be the glory and honor. Amen. God bless.